Welcome to our channel. Discover the exact steps to fix a frozen Chase Bank account quickly and get your finances flowing again. Welcome to our channel. If you found yourself suddenly unable to access your Chase Bank account due to it being frozen, don't panic. We will guide you through the process step by step, so you can resolve the issue smoothly. First, understand why your Chase Bank account might be frozen. Common reasons include suspicious activity detected by the bank, unpaid debts, or legal issues. Once you identify the possible cause, you can act more effectively. Step 1. Contact Chase Bank directly. Use the official phone number or visit a nearby branch. Explain your situation clearly and ask why your account has been frozen. They will confirm the reason and outline the next step. Step 2. Verify your identity. Be prepared to provide personal information such as your ID, social security number, and answers to security questions. This helps the bank ensure you are the rightful account owner. Step 3. Address the root cause. If the freeze is due to unpaid debts, try to settle the outstanding amounts promptly. If it's related to suspicious activity, you may need to review recent transactions and confirm which ones are legitimate. Step 4. Submit any required documents. Sometimes banks may require additional paperwork, such as court orders or proof of payment. Make sure you provide these promptly for faster processing. Step 5. Follow up regularly. Stay in touch with Chase customer service throughout the process. Checking your account status often helps avoid delays. Step 6. Once cleared, your account will be unfrozen, and you can regain access to your funds. Staying proactive and patient during this process is key. Remember to monitor your account activity frequently to prevent future issues. That's the complete step-by-step guide to fixing a frozen Chase Bank account. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like the video for more useful financial tips.